In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rows and hierarchy in Smartsheet. Let's start inside your Smartsheet workspace by opening the sheet you want to organize. You'll be working in grid view for the clearest look at your rows. Think of each row as a single item, task, or record. Keeping rows tidy and structured is the key to a sheet that's easy to read and maintain. When you hover over a row, you'll see an action menu with 3 dots. Click that to reveal options that help you manage the row. One of the most useful is copy. Use copy when you want to duplicate a row's content so you can paste it elsewhere, reuse a template row, or keep a version before you make changes. It's a simple way to stay consistent without rebuilding the same details from scratch. From that same menu, you can insert new rows. Choose Insert Row above to add space for a header, a new task, or a category right before the selected row. Choose Insert Row below when you want to add a related item directly underneath. After inserting, give the new row a clear name and make sure you enter data that matches the column types, like dates and date columns and numbers where calculations might happen. You can also rearrange the order of your rows by dragging them. Grab the handle next to the row number and pull the row to its new spot. This is especially handy when priorities change or when you want to group related items together. If you need to move several rows at once, select them first, then drag to keep them together. To protect important information, you can lock a row. Locking prevents others from editing it, which is perfect for final approvals or reference data. If you have the right permissions, click to lock and click again to unlock when it's time to make updates. Locked rows remain visible so everyone can still see the context while preventing accidental changes. Finally, let's build hierarchy. Select a row and click the right arrow to indent it and create a child under the row above it. This turns the upper row into a parent, with children nested beneath. Hierarchy makes long sheets much easier to navigate because you can collapse and expand sections, and it also supports clearer reporting and summaries. Keep parent rows descriptive and use child rows for the detailed work items. If you need to remove the indent later, use the left arrow to return the row to the top level. And that's it. Open your sheet, use the 3-dot menu to copy and insert rows, drag to reorder, lock and unlock when needed, and create hierarchy with the right arrow for a clean, collapsible structure.